Category 221, Outstanding Achievement for News Gathering, Nostalgia, and Historical. The nominees are
A Life in Words, WGN, Rialto Square Theater, WFLD, Rolling Through 50 Years, WFLD, An Artist Revealed, James Bolivar Needham, WGN, Rebirth of the Turf, WITI, Home to History, Chicago Fine Arts Building, WFLD.
And the Emmy goes to Rolling Through 50 Years, WFLD.
The rink does more than teach skating. It teaches possibility. Kids step on the floor unsure of themselves and leave knowing exactly who they are.
It has kept them out of trouble, from joining gangs to getting involved with drugs, and just put them on the right path.
Ooh. Thank you. This means a lot. Oh man. A year ago, I was part of a mass layoff in this industry. It's a very scary time, but honestly, just keep your head down. Enjoy the work you do. Be a nice person to work with. You're going to be fine. Thank you to Terrence, Glenn and Lisa, everyone at Fox for. I just started in January, and this was the first story I shot for them. It's a wild ride. So thank you guys so much. Thank you to my girlfriend Steph for everything. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you.